Part 6, and it's time to sort out this fireplace. We never even knew it existed, and now it's huge in our house and she's not in a good state, so we've got to do some destruction. But why? Well, we're keeping all of the bricks exposed for the final room, so we cracked on with the cleanup. But we soon realised we were just smushing the old lime mortar all over it and making it worse. Who knew that was possible? So we researched and realised we need to rake out the mortar if we have any chance of making the brick faces look cute. We got all the proper tools for our angle grinder and drill and spent about 3 hours raking it real good. Of course, this fireplace was never designed to be seen, let alone look pretty, so it's going to be a big mission. And boy, do my arms still ache a week on. And we did this now because we have no roof, so technically we're outside, which saved us being stuck in a huge dust chamber. The cleanup was an extra hour, dusting and hoovering off each brick, ready for that final cleaning. But doesn't it look so much better already? That definition is stronger than a gym bro's abs. I'll get into the cleanup soon, but big roof news, guys. The steel's finally arrived for the structures to be built and we're craned in. Look at them just swinging in the wind. Anxiety was really anxietying in this moment. But before we knew it, they're in the walls and I think we have a roof now? Who do we think we are? The open air terrace is on its way out, but a big part of the plan has changed. I'll explain all in part 7.